Tao ngang, tao ngang. Qua tao ngang ô. Sound đô, làm la nghe. Okay, say chapter 2. You remember how? Other one. Electrostatics no one. Chapter 2 đi. Okay, sorry. Chapter 3 with the 3. Current and electricity with them. Okay, write down that. Current, electricity. Okay, so the start talks. First, nana khanga do se current. What is current? What is current? In class 10, we have already studied one equation. What is that? Q is equal to IT. Okay. So from it, how can you write current? So my EVA. I is equal to Q by T. It means charge is divided by time. Charge the time divided by what? How do we say this? Rate of flow. Rate of flow of charge. So the time divided over in the rate. You can use the word rate. Rate of flow of charge. This is defined as what? Electric current. Electric current can be defined as the rate of flow of charge. Can be defined as the rate of flow of charge. Next, you need to define this unit here. Unit of electric current. What is the unit of current? Ampere. Ampere. It means we have to define 1 ampere of current. 1 ampere of current is defined. First, say heading to define the unit of electric current. Current ki unit defined toksem. So minus or you can say like this: to define 1 ampere of current. So minus question language you can say as like to define 1 ampere of current or to define the unit of current. Equation no same thing equation here. I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. So if Q is 1 coulomb or put 1 coulomb now and times 1 second or then see the option law. I is equal to 1 by 1 lane is equal to what is this 1 lane 1 ampere hai 1 ampere. Writing style if you start with small letter start already, you have to write all in words. Kamai igani ampere igani or bold letter use only single a. Smani EV see the name of the scientist see the unit unit when igi had the kamai iva smani EVI or smani EVI then how do we define this? Kamai define the way. Adudi yamashida yamakanda kamaina khange yango. How did you get this? Kamaina phange. Only when you put Q is equal to 1 coulomb and T is equal to 1 second. It means the current through a conductor. Current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere. Current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge flows through any portion of the conductor. Say, conductor ki portion number law, any portion law, say point P has is the car. If 1 coulomb of charge flows through the point P, in what time? 1 second. 1 second timing to now 1 second. 1 second ki manung da 1 coulomb of charge flow to go. Adu tarodi nangi current to kari kore 1 ampere of current have. It means the electric current is said to be 1 ampere if a charge of 1 coulomb flows through any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. Hence, the electric current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere. Is said to be 1 ampere if a charge of 1 coulomb. If a charge of 1 coulomb flows through any cross section of the conductor, through any cross section of the conductor, in what time? In 1 second. Sine nangi definition se 1 ampere of current ki definition is electrostatics the unit number chapter number 1 the quantization of charge na ama term lay ko there is one term quantization of charge na term lay aduna kari hai q is equal to integral multiple of n I mean the integral multiple of e have where n is the integer of integer. So I'm going to use this one right now. But q is equal to ne where e is again charge on 1 electron electron number the labor charge electron number the labor charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb one electron has this much charge 2 electron kya lakane 2 electron ka 2 na multiply tawro adu ki value dene therefore the current ka lai is q I is equal to q ki instead of q ki mahuta any hapsalo any divided by t so minus e raised to current ki equation se calculation numerical calculation to depending on the question si jana use to letter part introduction to electric current. Next types of current. Types of current. Types of current. Generally, when you class 10 AC DC I'm going to talk about it one more time. Normally, broadly classifying, one is AC, the other is DC. DC na direct current, AC na alternating current. But DC se different types of DC. DC se ani thona EVI kama EVI. One is varying DC second one is steady DC so my EVI AC AC le jare DC na, one is called varying DC, the other is called as what? Steady DC. Kamai kene kamra se ani ja? How they are different? Sida yung figure yeke. One figure le sida. Sida positive x, positive y or lo. Sida current say if the current looks like this, say like this. Sida figure 1 second figure lo semana muka. Current can be like this also. Semai to usuya current. Say this is the current gi exists also. Current gi exists. Yeah, this is the time, for example. Time exists also. What is the difference? Both are similarity in higher. What is similarity in higher? Both are changing. This one is changing with respect to time. Current changes with respect to time. Current magnitude of the current say high, low, high, low. But what about the polarity? Polarity kamay tawe? In what plane? In what plane do they change? Kanama plane the change story no say. Positive matro say, asi positive plane matro say. Positive x y ko. Sisu kari. This also positive x y never. It means ani se mana yeba. Still, ko. As long as polarity say reverse to tawdradi, that current will be called as what? Direct. But once polarity changes, there is no more direct current. Direct say, sisu direct nahi yung figure maga ye case man nahi yung. Still this is sisu direct nahi ba. Time sisu current. The difference la yes da. Kay difference na? Sound the check talk. Jeko toro ko taram ready. Okay, still going on. Still on. Sisu DC ni, sisu DC ni. Sisu DC ne sab mana all are DC. How do you know they are DC? Polarity di yango. Polarity is always positive sile ko. Sisu ko positive positive. All of them are the same level. But the difference is sidi yango current gi magnitude change to bra. To de ko. Current gi magnitude remain the same. Ko. So this type of DC can be called as what? Kai ka we steady DC. You can call it steady DC. Sidi yango what about this? Magnitude of the current changes. Is it? What about this? This changes, no? So this is no more steady. So kari kaure today. Varying DC. Aduna yo sige figures yo 1, 2, 3. Sina only sina kano steady. DC ni still siso varying. DC ni siso varying DC ni. One source of steady DC. One source. Say source aros mana. Source of steady DC. Example, the best example is like say dry cell gumba or the current source we use in batteries like lead storage battery gari di yawu battery ka gari di yawu battery le na bana aduguma battery to karoba they can produce this type of DC. Okay, but what about say smart houses? So steady DC in a simple language that say lead storage battery or even dry cell may not be very long, but for temporarily kamay to bas minor PBI. But if you run for a long time, smile like in ng graphs. Slide smile like ba. Every current, the magnitude current will go on decreasing with passage of time. But for a short while, it looks like this. But it never looks like this here. It's not going to be happen like this here. But what about the other one? Nangi varying DCD. What can be the source? Smani your source of varying DC set device में लगे करी कौवे हमें कहता rectifier ना rectifier okay so ये rectifier से करी ना हमरा what is it this a device ni kaya ba that converts AC into DC ka a device that converts AC into DC kari ko we rectifier ko we ba ado rectifier na puthok pa DC se they are varying DC ka gano se very simple example after this syllabus yang dia okay next na drift velocity of electrons na drift 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 velocity of electrons drift drift velocity of electrons yang guys that notation na V suffix D. Semalakan. Conductor mo laro. Semala laro conductor mo laro. Inside the conductor, free electrons may are. They are free electrons. And you know that electrons move randomly. Meaning hamra. Direction fixed direction like the electrons से का from the suppose we आये smile suppose we आये smile suppose we आये और they can go like this also even like this also there is no fixed direction for free electrons inside a conductor so how do we say they move randomly so because of this they don't make any contribution to the electric current. Meaning it means suppose ordinary piece of conductor inside an ordinary piece of conductor what happened? Electrons move randomly. They move in all directions they wanted. But if they happen to move like this for example Semana one direction that's all there will be electric current. There will be electric current if they move in one particular direction. But in the normal state means if you don't make any connection, and no connection to any battery, no connection, it means they are average thermal velocity को कैसे thermal velocity is equal to 0 है why is thermal velocity 0 question हम ये why is the thermal velocity of electrons 0 in a what conductor में दा thermal velocity कई मरम की 0 हो रही no कमाई है क्या simply because they move randomly सुमाना fixed particular direction दा लेते हैं बुका अदु लेट प्रॉब्लम का दोबा योने सदे यों एग्जांपल पीके इलेक्ट्रॉन खरना सोम चले इलेक्ट्रॉन अमना का दोबा सोम चले even this electron may be going this way also and the electron goes what this way again is it so sumaina opposite already kamai toba velocity cancel to gone ba sisu ka doba cancel to gone ba so there is no particular direction of the movement of the electron say for example sigi room da yango sigi room da khoi mi ahum mari le ka some of you go this way natra some of you go this way I'm also going that way ka so for example say we are the group of same of ka in the group how many members 5 members ka we have the same group but we are making it say we are moving in different direction nang som chalo ai som chake nang dom chalo adudi mina hange ka in what direction is your group moving have ganda kai hagan khoi group ka karam direction chale nang hai bangam de na because you are going like this ai som chale ko adu kara our group velocity is equal to 0 ka the same way the average thermal velocity in electron is 1 sorry in a current is 0 not on to say the average the average thermal velocity of electrons in a conductor is equal to 0 is equal to 0 because electrons move randomly in a conductor. Okay, there's the one. Then conclusion is one not the thermal velocity of electrons do not contribute to flow of do not contribute to what electric current have the thermal velocity of electrons do not contribute to the current that flows in a conductor okay ado akoina pambadi karino drip velocity pambane drip velocity amuk yengse karino drip velocity yengse ngasagi ahambadi kadoba you don't apply any field no connection hojidi kadoba let us connect something now say free conductor laro songe side se positive terminal connect karo cell or battery sumana leibna kari cell ko khambra sumana connection tarogana kari sine kadoba battery lakode ba series smile lakose ka sina battery a number of cells connected in series kari pi edna battery khambra when you connect a number of cells in series ka kari phangeba battery phangeba aduna si je battery hobe or cell hobe let it be anything but sigi longest size na kari ba positive way ka sina negative way smart connector direct connector ade karo ni sigi size ka ba positive side ka sina kari negative side adudi yengo come inside ka no connector ki manung na chang ho je sida electron ma lawro actually there are many electrons present ka but for our convenience let us take only one single electron ya ka adudi nang punna lawrodi nang ko ngawr ka adu tawdana ba only one electron lawros bana adudi yengo if this is negative kari force layer repulsive ya bra what about this attractive ka so electrons start moving in what direction towards the left adudi kadore if you have two plate here sina positive way ba sina negative way gadi kadwa the electric field goes from positive side to the negative side thega adudi kadore the electric field will be the electric field should be directing from kadwa positive to negative yabra adudi kadore electrons start moving against what against the electric field and this electron when it moves it has a velocity a very small velocity thega adugi small velocity kai ko ba known as what drip velocity of the electron ko se figure se yo tu na yam tu na yo The hand define them say. We'll define it first. Okay, now define now. Drift velocity of electrons. Drift velocity of electrons can be defined as the average velocity of electrons that gets drifted in a direction opposite to the applied electric field. Okay. Electrons move against the applied electric field. This is the most important thing. We'll try to derive one equation. Equation of drift velocity. Yam samna shortcut the derive talks. If E be the charge on an electron, then Hanagi chapter number 1 the electric field. How do you define the electric field? It was defined as force divided by charge. Force will be equal to what? QE. So if E is the charge on an electron, then the force on electron, force on the electron, F is equal to EE. Why I replace charge instead of charge? See electron and electrons. And how do they move? Same figure. How do they move? They move against what? Against the electric field. Aduna katawa sida negative sign of pure Osman. This is your conductor. So now equation number 1 here. And remember, direction of the electric field will be exactly the same as what direction of the force. So katawa force in the same direction now. Smile like a force. And force is the product of mass and acceleration. Where M stands for what? Mass of the electron. As the mass is move to it has acceleration also. Acceleration is like never. So that say 2 haro. Say using 2 in 1. Or just say from 1 and 2 haro comparison taro. Minus EE is equal to what? MN or acceleration the electron will be equal to minus EE divided by M. Equation number 3 Harosman. Clear? Then uniformly accelerated motion ki formula V is equal to U plus AT. So remember, got this one. So I am going to use this one. Temporarily, just think that electron is initially at rest. Initially at rest of initial velocity 0 la. Velocity this will be equal to your drift velocity. As U is equal to 0, Vd V is equal to kari V di and time se aina quantity ma igini sida kaino kana tau igini ba se kaino ai haige relaxation time ko se relaxation time. This is called relaxation time. I explained, okay, what is this? Say, think this is the conductor now. Conductor like hello mana. Sida nangi free electron like or say free electron is here right now. Smile. Sida conductor ki manung da kai lagani positive ions lagani ko. There will be also positive charges. Yakos mana inside it. But only movement of the electron is considered as what flow of current. Once you apply the field, what happened? Electron start moving. Move the rest mana. Move the say imagine that electron is hitting this one. So hit the rest mana. So they start so hit the rest. After this one, it can hit another one again. So they hit the way or it can change the direction again. So the time gap time gap what time gap between what starting point starting time hit the time time interval time relaxation time that's why I'm writing as well relaxation time or see time says one collision second collision one collision, second collision ki mark the time game na. Adusu kadoba relation time. Sama na yun. Siya hapsalo. Adudi, therefore, instead of V0, V0 is equal to 0 plus A into tau. Smile. Adudi, say question number 4 hai using 3 in 4 3 in 4 the velocity now is equal to acceleration minus E by m and what tau mana. So this is the equation of the velocity never. Equation of the velocity. Or in magnitude tas my EBI the velocity da magnitude da minus along to E tau by m. So my ESVI. It means today kari hare E se E ki on value le kari value no E value do so I have to get now 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb ko. What about mass of the electron? Mass of electron kya no 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Khambra adute ke hare C ani se ke no constant hoeba. This two are constant, right? So if these two are constant nang kama E be irone S E by m is equal to constant. As E by m is equal to constant. The velocity, this will be directly proportional to E and what? Tau. Because say if A is directly proportional to B, A is equal to a constant K and B. Or if A is equal to constant K and B, A is directly proportional to B. So you say. One special case what if temperature rises? Temperature rises the velocity the effect of suppose temperature of the conductor is rising. Hit taro. Temperature of the conductor is rising now. Temperature rising means sigi nangi kanada yango electron de yango temperature rise tawdi ka toni magi kinetic energy will increase henga class 11 da khamra noi ge kinetic energy of the molecule do so have do 3/2 kT have do if temperature rising kinetic energy is rising same thing here if if temperature of the conductor is increasing temperature increase tawdi ka tawre kinetic energy also increases have ne yabra kinetic energy increase have di keno nangi electron do will it move faster or slowly faster natra abidi suppose nang smile le nangi body da le nang field ground ma le nang running go chelo if you are given more kinetic energy kadoni you have to run faster natra so likewise if you are given more kinetic energy then what happen electron move faster go faster or even na magi time interval to kadogani smaller go pick ni go time interval pick by with no drip velocity kadogani pick ni beso kambra drip velocity also become smaller kambra esa ay muka hage go temperature increase tawdi kadogba temperature increase means kinetic energy increases go kinetic energy increasing means electron move faster natra if it's moving faster time do shorter or never time shorter means time shorter or sisu shorter smaller or never because these two are directly proportional so what is the conclusion is if temperature rises the velocity decreases not if say temperature haro say temperature of conductor increases then drip velocity also increases again okay sibu khatang phajana learn toro is okay enough for today I have covered a good portion hey amuk to si ko makam continue to all right my dear students for the viewers asi class the I lepage tomorrow I will continue your class again okay thanks for watching